With over 30 years of excellence in the stone processing machinery sector, we are proud to introduce the Marmo Smart Station for the Master 5000, a device that provides complete control over the machine for creating kitchen countertops, polishing sink cutouts, and edge finishing. This station combines the reliability of traditional methods with the latest technological innovations, meeting the needs of stonemasons and delivering unmatched performance. There's no need for a fixed CNC machine or specialized operators. The sink device, paired with our Master 5000, optimizes both space and time. This innovative tool handles cutting, polishing, and drilling of internal and external surfaces and profiles with ease. The Master 5000 is securely positioned in its dedicated slot and fastened with 2 screws on the edges. It is then connected to the power supply via a standard 220-volt socket. For detailed instructions on operating the Master 5000, refer to the dedicated tutorial video. To create a kitchen countertop, there's no need for a lengthy CNC programming process, just simple measurements for the cutout. Once the slab is placed on the workbench, 2 measurements are taken, one along the short side and one along the long side of the desired cutout location, with the 0 point positioned at the bottom right. The measuring guides on both axes are then adjusted to align with the cutout coordinates. After setting the coordinates, the stop is fixed to secure the position. The indicator is placed on the measurement previously taken with the tape, and the stop is adjusted to ensure the sink cutout starts at the designated point. Finally, a second stop is positioned on the long axis to define the cutout length, applying the same procedure to the short side to determine the depth, ensuring the space between the adjustable and fixed stops matches the desired measurement. Once the adjustments are complete, the machine is set to operate like a compass. If the pointer is set to 0, the machine will follow the tool's radius. If a specific radius is required, for example, 40 millimeters, this is configured accordingly, and the machine executes a 40 millimeters rotation radius. The drill bit, specially designed for this machine, is quickly attached and positioned at the cutout point. The X and Y axes are locked, and the Z-axis descent speed is adjusted before drilling begins. In approximately 8 seconds, the machine drills a 3 centimeters thick granite slab and can work with any material, including ceramic. After drilling, the water supply is turned off, the Z-axis is raised, and the cutout is complete. The drill bit is then replaced with a finger bit cutter. Thanks to its powerful brushless motor, the Master 5000 can cut through 3 centimeters thick granite in a single pass. The cutter's speed is adjusted according to the specifications on the tool's technical sheet, and the cutting process begins. Using 4 stops across the 2 axes, the machine cuts precisely to the preset dimensions. The arm is easy to maneuver and requires minimal effort. A large sink cutout is completed in a single pass in approximately 10 minutes, with the machine rotating precisely to follow the preset radius. After the first cut on the long side, the machine moves to the opposite side, completing the process with the final cut. Once finished, the stops are removed, freeing the machine from the defined area. The sink cutout on granite is performed in a single pass, leaving a clean cut ready for finishing. Next, 20 mm profile wheels with half-gas attachments are used. To start, the Z-axis is adjusted and remains consistent throughout the entire tool set. After using the wheel in position 3, the stops are removed and the machine operates freely with no need for further adjustments. To complete the process, 3 polishing wheels are used, achieving a flawless shine without the need for additional manual finishing. During this phase, the device moves smoothly and efficiently, delivering outstanding results in minimal time. The Marmo Smart Station is an economical, user-friendly solution that replaces a CNC machine. With this device, a complete kitchen countertop can be produced, including edge polishing, sink drilling, and cutout polishing in just 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the countertop size and material. Thanks to the Marmo Smart Station, even operators without CNC expertise can work with ease, making it an ideal alternative to both CNC machines and single head polishers. Finally, with the specialized accessory, you can polish, brush, or sand the surface of the slab itself. For more information on these functions, refer to the dedicated video. Marmo Smart Station. The future of the stonemason's workshop is here.